Hello there. In today's data-driven world, sensitive information is everywhere. But how do you find it, classify it, and protect it? Leading enterprises trust Mage Data, the industry leader in data classification, to intelligently identify, categorize, and secure their most critical data. With over 80 out-of-the-box classifications, Mage ensures compliance with global privacy regulations like GDPR, CPRA, HIPAA, PCI DSS, DPDP, PDPL, etc. Social security numbers, credit card details, medical records, you name it, Mage has it covered. What sets Mage apart? Flexibility. Need to classify unique data specific to your business? Mage lets you fine-tune, extend, or create entirely new classifications with ease, ensuring every piece of sensitive data is accounted for. When Dan, our data classification engineer, logs into Mage Data, he can create or edit data classification groups. Mage Data comes with inbuilt classification groups which encompass sensitive data protected under different regulatory laws. These groups come with the default data classification that needs to be protected under such regulations. In this example, the HIPAA group within Mage Data, as we can see, comes with more than 30 classifications associated. These are the suggested classification or PII recommended to protect data as per HIPAA requirements. These can be enhanced as per customer compliance regulations if needed. Dan has also the possibility to create a data classification group, which will fit his organization. For this, he will simply need to select the data classification he requires and save this new data classification group. Additionally, Dan can also create or edit data classification type, where he will be able to whether create a data classification type from scratch or edit an existing data classification type. Dan proceeds the same way as he did for the data classification group. He simply needs to select the data classification type he requires and save this new data classification type. Mage doesn't just classify data, it empowers smarter governance. Data classifications carry key attributes like data value, entity type, identifier type, classification type, and uniqueness. These help CIOs and CISOs streamline compliance reporting and governance, and make it easier for large enterprises to manage complex, high-volume data stores across the organization. Mage Data generate data flow maps, assign risk scores, and gain real-time visibility into sensitive data across your enterprise. Automated classification and metadata tagging keep you audit-ready at all times. With Mage Data, you're not just classifying data, you're building a foundation for smarter security and innovation. Contact Mage Data for more information. Thank you.